Fancy Dress Competition. Annual Fancy Dress Competition was announced in Dinoland and everyone was thrilled. All day, all the dinosaurs were just about the competition. The rule was the dinosaurs have to act what they dress like. Tanya knew from the start what she would be, but she kept it a secret. Finally, it was the competition day. Everyone arrived in his costumes and performed one by one. When it was Tanya's turn, she was nowhere to be found. The dinos searched everywhere, but simply couldn't spot her when suddenly they saw a tree move. Surprised, every dinosaur turned towards the tree, and suddenly out came Tanya. The moving tree was Tanya in her costume. Everyone laughed, and it was decided that Tanya should be the winner, not only for the great costume but also for the acting. She didn't utter a word despite being called out so many times, just like a tree. Grandma recovers. Summer vacations always meant a trip to the grandparents' town for the little T-Rex siblings, Tori and Rory. They loved their grandparents a lot and enjoyed all the adventures their trips brought along. But that year, when they reached their grandparents' cave, they were told that Grandma wasn't keeping very well, so no adventurous outings were planned. Though disappointed, the kids soon got worried about Grandma and decided to do something special for her like she always did for them. Together, the siblings collected household items and began entertaining Grandma. The entire summer, the cave was filled with laughter. When the doctor visited the next time, he announced that Grandma was getting better than he anticipated, and it all seemed to be because of Tori Rory. They realized that they could still help others, though they might be little. Taking someone else's credit. Aaron and his friends had been working on a project for a long time. They were building a machine to help draw water from the river so all dinosaurs could get water easily. Months of hard work and many failures later, one morning when Aaron was attempting to work the machine, it finally did. All dinosaurs gathered around Aaron and looked at the machine mesmerized. Soon everyone began thanking Aaron. Slogans were raised in appreciation, but Aaron stopped them immediately and said, "This machine is not my idea, and neither is the execution. It is all a group effort, and I will not accept your appreciation alone. One should never accept praise for what he has not done anything." Aaron's words made him a star in front of everyone's eyes, and the slogans of praise continued, this time not just for the machine. Clumsy Cory. Cory was a clumsy little dinosaur. He would bump into stuff, drop things, and break items all the time. One morning, Cory was told to give a speech in the morning school assembly. He came prepared with a speech, dressed in his finest, and moved towards the stage nervously. As soon as Cory laid his powerful paw on the stage cracked, and a huge hole opened in the center, and Cory fell into it. All the dinosaurs in the audience stood up and gasped. Seconds later, the sound of giggling echoed from inside the hole. Recovering from the fall, Cory had started laughing uncontrollably. Hearing him, every dinosaur in the audience laughed out loud too. Cory got up, took the microphone and spoke. It is important to learn to laugh at oneself, so we never take ourselves too seriously, and such incidents never dampen our spirit.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.